Today, I'll show you how to cut foil. You'll need foil, masking tape, a cutting mat, and the loklik aircraft. Before we start, install the foil transfer tip. There are 3 tips: bold, medium, and fine. Place the foil on cardstock and tape it down with masking tape. Put the cardstock on a light grip cutting mat. Load it into the machine. Open Loklik Idea Studio. Select the text box and enter your design. Choose your font and resize it. Click Make. Select foil and choose the foil transfer tip you installed. After selecting cardstock as the material, add the task and click Start to begin.